What's up, people? Charles here, and in this video, I want to talk about MyAddsUp. And as you know, MyAddsUp has been down for 5 days because they had a DDoS attack, attack, and she migrated that she had to get upgrade the servers because she was basically getting too much traffic. And I think more likely somebody was sending bot traffic to the site, and it crashed and made the servers crash. So she went ahead and got the servers updated. She got some new servers to be able to handle um, the traffic, basically. But as you can see, it's not all the way back online, but everything is being worked on. Because I came in here earlier and I was in group 5, but really I'm in group 8. And then I came back in here just now. Now it's back to where I'm supposed to be and the right amount of BAPs. And when you click to try to surf your ads, it's offline because she's still working on everybody's getting everybody's BAPs and all that stuff back straight. So when you click this, if you come to the site now, see it's offline. Surfing is currently offline because she's still working on this. And for all the people that was talking, oh, MyAddsUp done scammed out. No, it hasn't scammed out. It just takes time to move. She has 4 websites to move. It's just not MyAddsUp. She has other platforms that are still running too, and all those platforms are running off of the same server. So she had to move to bigger server because MyAddsUp is basically growing at a exponential rate. And as you can see, this site done paid out over $3 million. This site has paid out more than the other two sites that she has together. This site has paid both of those sites, and those sites have been around for a couple years. So I basically want to do this video to show you that this admin is really about her business. So for all you people that was talking, oh, MyAddsUp a scam, and all the people that were in MyAddsUp that was started bashing the company because you didn't have the patience enough to wait for her to get everything back in order. And if I was her, if I had seen the people that was so-called in this and it was bashing it, I would delete y'all accounts ASAP. Just because y'all didn't have the patience enough to sit back and wait. You could have found something else to do. You could have found something else to do until the site comes back up. But you just greedy. That's all. All you think about is the money. You know, you're not even thinking about like that. That's all you would think about is the money. And then cause you put a little bit money in here, and then you thought you lost it. And now look at you. The site is almost back online. Well, it's online, but she's still working on some stuff in the background. So I just want to put this video out and stop being so quick to call everything a scam because you're so used to working your 9-to-5 job, but you don't call that a scam. You don't fill out the application, and when you don't tell them to pay you every day when you can come here and you can basically get paid every single day. You can't do that job. You gotta work a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks before you even get paid. So if you're new here, I don't usually rant like this, but uh like, subscribe to the channel. I'll leave this link in the description. This company is here for the long haul. So like and subscribe to my channel. Sorry about the rant. I usually don't rant like that, but when people just only think about themselves, that's how you act. You act on emotions. Start using your logic. Peace.